Samudra terbentang khatulistiwa, di situ ku ada bersamamu saudara. Beragam warna kita, suku tak selalu sama. Kau aku Indonesia yang disatukan karena cinta. Karena kita Indonesia, jangan pernah terpecah belah. Walau kita berbeda, walau kita tak sama, tetaplah satu kita, kita Indonesia sesungguhnya.
Pro 5.4 FM Pro 2 RRI Singaraja, teman terbaik kamu karena kita Indonesia. Yeay. Good afternoon teman Pro 2. This is me, Iren Amora.
And this is Tris Mallory. And we are in English Corner.
Listen us to know the world more.
Hey, how are you teman Pro 2? Hope you are fine ya all. And we are ready to accompany you 1 hour ahead. So we have one interesting topic that we will discuss ya.
How about you, Tris?
I'm fine. How about you, Kakak Iren?
I'm fine because already eat rujak.
Oh, rujak and soon
yeah.
bakso.
Meatball.
Okay, yeah.
But we not going to talking
about
food.
Yeah, but interesting topic. Why is that?
Yes.
Yeah, we will back. Yeah. After this.
Don't go away.
Pro 2 FM.
Hey, this is Taylor Swift.
This is Brendan from Panic at the Disco.
I'm the only one of me.
Baby, that's the part of you.
So I'm fine away. I've never been so wide away. No, nobody but me can keep me safe. I'm on my way.
My name is Alan Walker.
Give it up for Sabrina Carpenter.
Please welcome Marshmello and Churches.
Every day, you're saying the words that I want you to say. I'm on my way.
You're listening to Pro 2 Singaraja.
Teman terbaik
is a traditional Indonesian food made from soybeans that have been fermented using several types of rhizopus mold. This fermentation is generally known as tempe yeast. Tempe can be prepared in a variety of different ways or dishes. Apart from having a delicious taste, tempe is also a food that is rich in nutrition and beneficial for the human body. Fermentation of yeast with soybean produces complex compounds into simple compounds that are easily digested by humans. Tempe is rich in dietary fiber, calcium, vitamin B, and iron. Various ingredients in tempeh have medicinal value, such as antibiotics to cure infection and antioxidant to prevent degenerative diseases. Tempeh is widely consumed in Indonesia, but has now spread worldwide. Tempeh is very well known by vegetarians all over the world. Many of them have used tempeh as a meat substitute. As a result, currently, tempeh is not only produced in Indonesia but also in many places in the world. Various studies in a number of countries such as Germany, Japan, and the United States are now trying to develop superior strains of rhizopus to produce faster, better quality tempeh and increase the nutritional content of tempeh.
Pro 2 FM, teman terbaik kamu.
105,4 Pro 2 FM Singaraja. Teman terbaik kamu. Teman terbaik kamu.
Yeah, and this is English Corner.
With Miren and
Trees, yeah.
Yes,
Listen
yes.
us to know the word more. Yes, and today we will discuss or share some information about exploring.
South Bali.
Yeah, and yeah,
Okay.
teman Pro 2 maybe still remember that previous meeting.
Yeah.
We have discussed about public places or interest places,
yes,
in
in
North Bali. But
Bali.
today we will share information for you, teman Pro 2 who maybe want to spend holidays.
Yes,
This is
that's right.
long weekend ya, Kakak Iren ya.
Yeah.
So maybe we can what is that? Give you some suggestion what places that can you visit to is that enjoy your holiday weekend.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the first place that maybe very interesting to visit. That is what is that?
Uluwatu,
Iya, Uluwatu, Pura Luhur Uluwatu ya, atau Uluwatu Temple. What we can this one. This is the background. What is that? Yeah, we have give you clue. Yeah, teman Pro 2 that in Uluwatu Temple,
Yes.
beside the famous attraction that we can see or view is that sunset view.
Sunset.
But the other side, it's also about the kecak
Kecak dance.
dance.
Okay.
What's the kecak dance? Maybe some of teman Pro 2 don't know ya about kecak dance. Maybe Kakak Iren could explain.
So this one. Oh wait. This one. Okay. Kecak dance. So is a performance known as the special from Uluwatu, yeah.
Yep.
It's called Uluwatu Kecak Dance. So the main appeal of the Uluwatu Kecak Dance is the backdrop of for the Balinese Kecak Dance, displaying the Indian Ocean sunset view. So you can see the sunset while you
Watch,
enjoy the Kecak
The
dance
performance
Okay.
that are very famous in Bali, so don't miss it. But maybe this is some note for you who want to watch kecak
Kecak?
dance that usually held in 6 p.m. Yeah, you can what is that? Purchase some ticket early, yeah,
Yes.
because usually it's full book.
Full sold
Yeah,
out, yeah.
sold out,
If you
so-
not book that, yeah.
So you will have a good seat to see the beautiful view, background. Then also you see clear how the kecak dance
Kecak dance
performs.
performs,
Yeah.
yes, because you can see the kecak and you can enjoy very enjoy it because it's very good performance.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's taken from the Ramayana epic.
Ramayana.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. And then after go to Uluwatu and watching Kecak dance, where we go next?
We will share another interesting places that you can visit when you come to South Bali.
Bali.
We will be back.
Indonesia has a lot of very beautiful dance culture, one of which is the Kecak dance. The Kecak dance is a Balinese art dramatic performance which mainly tells about the Ramayana and is played mainly by men. This dance is performed by many 10 or more male dancers who sit in a circle and with a certain rhythm shout chak and raise both arms, depicting the Ramayana story when a line of monkeys help Rama against Rahwana. However, Kecak comes from the ritual Sanghyang, which is a dance tradition in which the dancer will be in an unconscious state, communicate with God or the spirits of the ancestor and then convey their hopes to the community. The dancer who sit in a circle wear a checkered clothes like a chessboard around their waist. Apart from the dancers, there are also other dancers who play Ramayana characters such as Rama, Sinta, Rahwana, Hanuman and Sugriwa. The Kecak dance song is taken from the Sanghyang dance ritual. Additionally, do not use musical instruments. Only use kincringan that is worn on the feet of dancers who play Ramayana characters. Kecak dance was born in 1930s. It is said that Balinese dancer Wayan Limbak collaborated with German painter Walter Spies to create a Kecak dance based on Sanghyang tradition and parts of the Ramayana story. They took their creation on an international tour that helped make the Kecak dance as well known as it is today.
Yes, listen us to know the
Know
word
more,
more,
yeah.
yeah.
Okay, and now we are going to
I wanna ask Kakak Iren, do you
What is that?
love beach? Kak Iren,
oh my god, I love it. The view.
the view. What you usually do in beach?
What is it?
Take
Swim?
a bath,
No,
swim,
no, swim.
or sunbathing?
Because if I swim, I'm going to
Sink.
Yes, no. I'm going to be a mermaid.
Oh my god!
No.
Yeah, but yeah, we often see the visitor,
Okay.
especially the foreigners, when come to Bali, never skip visiting beaches in
Our
Bali.
beaches, okay.
Yeah, because we have so many beaches, famous beaches that can be visited, especially in South Bali.
South Bali,
Yeah,
okay.
this is we will share some of them. Yeah,
Yeah.
the beaches in Bali. In South Bali is first is Seminyak.
Seminyak, okay.
Seminyak,
Where is Seminyak?
which, yeah, Seminyak can be said as luxurious places, yeah, to
Yeah.
visit. It's still in Kuta area. This is one beach that can you visit when you come to South Bali.
Bali,
Yeah, and what's that? You can see some attraction here, like what is that? What is that?
Live music, no?
What?
Live music, no?
Live music, yes, can be, and then bars, so many bars, yeah, and also you can enjoy good night live, yeah, in Seminyak area.
Okay.
And yeah, and besides Seminyak, this is still one area also we can visit. Another beach is that's very famous in the world, yeah.
what is that?
Is the Ice Kuta Beach. If you,
yeah.
yeah, when you heard Bali, Usually, people said or mention Kuta as the most famous place or beach in Bali. Yeah.
Okay.
And yeah.
And next we have what is it? Sanur, ya.
Sanur
after
Beach.
Seminyak. So
Yeah.
another great beach in South Bali is Sanur, located around the southeast corner of Bali. So
Yes,
the
that's right.
island's oldest and most traditional resort area, Sanur offers more of a village feel than the other beaches.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the another one is Nusa Dua
Nusa
Beach.
Dua.
And yeah, if we say always that talk about Nusa
Nusa Dua,
Dua, yeah, we can see main development there.
Yeah.
Yeah, the many hotels and also
And,
the
many event
Held
held there,
there, yeah.
like a G20.
Yes.
And still now,
WWF, World Water Forum, yes, still had in Nusa Dua area until 25th of
Okay,
May,
fifth,
yeah. And also, can be said that Nusa Dua is refers to what is the family or maybe a good or excellent place to explore. That's to spend whole day with your family or relatives. Yeah, it's a mini package, holiday packages
Yes.
that we can enjoy there with your family and relatives. And also, we forgot that Kuta is also known as a best place for you who love surfing.
Surfing.
Yeah.
Yes, that's right, please.
Diving and also not only surfing but some beaches in Bali also a good place to have diving and also snorkeling, yeah, because we have many beautiful coral reefs and also beautiful fishes, yeah,
Yeah,
you can see
okay.
under the water.
Okay, and beautiful people, maybe.
Yeah, beautiful people. Balinese people is very kind, also beautiful, isn't
Yeah,
it?
that's right.
Okay.
Okay, so we already go to beaches, and then
Next, we have also one place that is very famous also because it's categorized unique one, and also the if we said about the statue, the people will know what will
okay. Talking about
yeah. next.
And this place is a place that for dinner
for
delegate
dinner.
for WWF. Okay?
Yes, if USA or United States has Liberty, and another maybe have like Paris have Menara Eiffel, and Bali also have the famous one statue, the big one in the world also, yeah.
Also,
With
yes.
that,
So
okay, with me, yeah, and we will back in English corner.
after
Penglipuran Village is a traditional countryside owning unique characteristic life, socializing as well as culture. This village is famous as one of the tourist destinations in Bali because of its people who still carry out and preserve traditional Balinese culture in their daily lives. The architecture of the building and the land management still follows the concept of Trihita Karana, the Balinese philosophy of the balance of the relationship between God, humans, and the environment. Penglipuran located in the village of Kubu Bangli sub-district as well as Bangli Regency. According to history of all old doyens that this countryside is taken from the word Penglipura, what its meaning remember to ancestors. However, there is also telling that the word of Penglipur means the entertainer. It is said that at the former empire era, all kings often used this area as a place to amuse themselves. It is because its nature is beautiful and can give the peacefulness and inspiration at the time of experiencing a problem. Another specialty which is owned by the village is the concept of special things about the village that are aligned with a special concept in Hinduism. village territory is divided into 3 parts called the Trimandala. In the north corner of the village, there is a shrine, the main theater, namely Pura Balai Agung, which became Mecca Hindus. Furthermore, in the middle there are parks and residential homes. This location is called in the middle mandala. Meanwhile, in the lowest part or mandala in south, there is a cemetery complex or setra. The concept of Trimandala does not only apply to village spatial layout but also for residential homes. Penglipuran people's homes are all in the form of Balinese traditional house, which is divided into 2 parts, the west and east. All the houses have the same form of the front. This section is made of soil material for walls and bamboo for the roof. The front of the house has angkul-angkul or gate, which functions as a building guard. On the religious holidays, this section will be a place of offerings and is used as a place of worship. Penglipuran village is one of 3 villages that has been named the cleanest village in the world. Because of its cleanliness and neatness, this tourism village has also won several awards including Kalpataru, Indonesia Sustainable Tourism Award in 2017, and most recently, this destination was included in the Sustainable Destination Top 100 versions of the Green Destination Foundation.
Thank you for listening Pro 2 Rising Area, teman terbaik kamu karena kita Indonesia. And you are listening Sore Ceria English Corner.
Yeah, listen us to know the word more.
Yes.
Yeah, with me,
And this
please.
is the last part,
And
okay?
also Iren, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this is our last part here to share about some tourism destination exploring the South Bali.
Bali,
Yeah,
okay.
as we mentioned before, yeah, this is one statue that are very famous in Bali and
that's
also
right.
can be said as the biggest statue also in the world,
The
yeah.
world,
And this is GWK, or we know as Garuda Wisnu Kencana. Have you ever
It's
visit
not-
there? Kak Iren?
Hey, yes, already.
Already, yeah.
Twice.
Oh, twice.
Okay.
And how what do you think about that?
When I go there and I see the statue, I said, "Oh my God, it's very large."
Yeah, big, very big,
Big,
yeah. But and this is also can be said as most favored and recognized travel destination in South
Yes,
Bali, yeah. And this is also said that GWK or Garuda Wisnu Kencana, yeah. This is the name of the statue. Has the statue is around 75 meters tall.
Yeah.
Can you
Okay.
imagine that? 75 meters
Meters,
tall. And also, what is that? The total height becomes 123 meters.
Oh my God, 1 to 2 meters.
Yeah, so when we this is short Bali, and the statue can be what is that? Can be seen from the main area or center of Denpasar or the
Denpasar.
city. Yeah, the area we can see the tip of the statue.
And also especially when we are past the what is it toll
Tall, yes.
Mandara.
Bali Mandara toll.
Okay. And we can see also GWK. Okay.
Yep, that's right. And beside the statue, this is Garuda Wisnu Kencana
Kencana.
Cultural Park. This is the last place that we can explore when you visit South Bali. Yeah, especially the woman can skip this
Okay. Why skip?
this activity, yeah, sightseeing. Yeah, this is one of the best places for shopping.
Oh, shopping. Forget the souvenir.
Yeah,
Okay.
and be ready. You have amount of money to bring there because you can buy many kinds of souvenirs from Bali. You
Yes,
can
most
give to
special.
your family,
Family,
relatives. Yeah, when you
okay.
back to your place.
Like clothes, some clothes,
Yeah, clothes, paintings,
bag,
bag. This is a handmade. Yeah, made from what's that?
Sukawati.
Sukawati.
And Gianyar.
Yeah, and
Okay.
Gianyar usually also made from traditional what is that kind of bamboo and then
okay.
a rotan, something like that. Yeah, Kak Iren ya. And also yeah, if we compare to the area of Kuta,
Kuta,
Legian, and also Seminyak, you can get the best prices in Sukawati if you want to buy some souvenirs.
Oh,
So-
it's called Pasar Seni.
Yes,
Sukawati. And also teman Pro 2 you can find and buy especially many kinds of unique Balinese arts items.
Yes, sculpture and then what's that? Handicraft. Yeah, many. You can choose from the small one to the biggest one. Yeah, from the what's that low price until the higher
Highest
price
price.
is ready. You can choose. Yeah, the main thing is don't forget bring your money.
Actually, if, only because if we only like apa ya see see only it can
Yeah, it's not it's satisfied.
unsatisfied go there ya.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
in Indonesia we say kalap ya.
Yeah, kalap. Yeah.
buy this, and buy this. Okay.
Yeah, because shopping or buy some souvenirs is a kind of is the must thing to do. Yeah, when you visit one place, yeah, outside your originally from, yeah, so that you can bring as what's that? Kenang-kenangan.
Yeah,
souvenirs.
souvenir,
Yeah,
okay.
memorable things. Yeah, to be remembered. When I have
go to Bali.
Yeah, I have go to Bali, and this is the evidence, something like that.
The evidence to prove it,
To prove,
that
yes.
you are going to Bali to souvenir, okay?
Yeah, and also some of paintings usually bring back to foreign country, yeah, because you can, if you one of what is that? Like the paintings, you can choose. Oh, it's so many because the artists, many artists come from Ubud, yeah, or Sukawati. Yes, you can choose many things there. So don't
okay.
forget. What's that? What we have said before? There are 4
Yeah.
main places, yeah, or
Uluwatu.
Uluwatu. You can see Kecak dance there, and then beaches, Kuta, Seminyak, Nusa Dua,
Sanur.
Sanur, and then
GWK.
KWK, and the last is
Sukawati.
Sukawati Art Market.
Art market. So after seeing the beach and Kecak dance, and you go to buy something in Sukawati.
How about maybe the Sukawati come first? You visit Bali,
Bali.
before you what's that? Spend
Way
much
more
money.
Okay.
No money
No,
left
no.
before you back home.
Home.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. That's about our topic today. Thank you so much for listening us. Yeah. And also in English Corner we have so many topics that will be discussed here. Yeah. So we will back next week. Ya Kakak Iren.
Okay, so don't forget to always listening English Corner.
Listen us to know the word more. And this is Therese and Kakak Iren.
Iren Amora. See you
Say
next week.
goodbye.
Bye.